Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix Facebook ads account restricted. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Facebook app. And once you're inside your Facebook, what you need to do is tap on your profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you're inside your menu, what you need to do is tap on your professional dashboard. Now scroll down until you find the option that says page recommendation or your profile recommendation, and scroll down and then tap on page status. And here, if there are any restrictions or violations, all those will be listed right here. Now in order to fix your ads account restricted, what you need to do is just simply tap on the restriction and then remove it, and then what you need to do is delete it and then try it again. But if you didn't have any violations and then your ads account has been restricted, then what you can do is just simply screenshot this page status or your profile status. Then what you need to do is go back, scroll down and then tap on help and support, and under help and support, tap on report a problem. And now tap on report a problem once again, then tap on don't include, and here what you need to do is scroll down, then select pages, or if you are doing it for your profile, select profile. And once you do that, here tap on the take screenshot option and then upload the screenshot that you have just taken. And here what you need to do is just simply briefly describe your problem, like I don't have any restrictions that I'm currently facing in my Facebook page, but I'm still having the ads account to be restricted. Would you please fix this issue, something like this, and then tap on send. And after a couple of days, the Facebook will reach you and then fix your problem. And that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.